Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani, and today we're going to be showing you some fantastic, quick recipes using mustard oil, but in a different way. Now, this is for my vegan friends out there. There's a guy called Vedant who's heavily into vegan and plant-based food. So Vedant, this is for you, mate. So I've got here oat milk. I've got some Kasundi mustard, which comes from Calcutta. And then I have some lemon juice. And I have some Kachchi Ghani ka mustard oil. I'm going to be adding about 1/4 to half a cup of oat milk, to which I'm going to be adding one nice big spoon or 2 teaspoons of Kasundi mustard, some salt to taste, brilliant, juice of half a lemon, I would say. So this is the same way how you make your mayo. Your mayo is made with vegetable oil. It's made with Dijon mustard, you add some eggs into it, but this is bilkul vegan, plant forward. Hey guys, there was a big typo. I screwed up, okay? Mujhe maaf kar do. This is actually unsweetened soya milk, not oat milk. Well, you can try it with oat milk. Let me know if it turns out. I'll do the recipe for you again, all right? Let's start cooking. I'm going to be giving this a nice mix. Now to this, I'm going to be using the most amazing mustard oil, which is Emami healthy and tasty Kachchi Ghani ka mustard oil. Kachchi Ghani, if you're wondering what it is, it means cold pressed to all you young people out there. Now ye jo mustard oil hai, this has some amazing properties. Now besides being made from the best mustard seeds, top quality, cold pressed, no additives, its purity and taste is uncomparable. Now you can see we've got a fantastic, beautiful sauce. Now literally once you refrigerate this, because this is just off the blender, the moment I refrigerate this, it actually becomes nice and thick. So the first recipe was easy peasy, बहुत ही आसान था. Vegan mayonnaise बना दिया था. If I wouldn't put mustard or I put a very little mustard or mustard powder, उसका color भी change होता है. But today since we are celebrating सरसों का तेल, so why don't use Kasundi? Kasundi is from Bengal. These are very high grade mustard seeds which are cold pressed. Kachchi Ghani से ये beautiful pungent oil बनता है, and believe me, I'm trying to even use it in my French cooking. Trust me. Second recipe now, boom, very simple. Spicy avocado sauce. Everybody loves avocado. We all know that. When you press the avocado, okay, so you can see it's actually leaving the indentation marks. Okay, it's pressed. So that's how you choose an avocado. So now for the avocado, I've got a half a medium onion, which I'm just going to be cutting it into chunks just like this. Then we have lemon juice, which you have to use for the avocado, because why? It gets oxidized, it doesn't get spoiled, okay? I've chopped up about 1 to 2 small chilies, okay? I'm adding that into this. So हमने ये avocado को half कर दिया है. Now look, this is a beautifully ripe avocado. Now very easy also. Then what I do is I take a knife, hit it into it, halka sa hai, and boom, it comes out. Take a spoon and just go around this, okay? Just press it and just go around this bilkul. So this is the whole advantage, that when you have a ripe avocado, oops, ho jata hai. You get a beautiful one like that. Look, itna easy hai, okay? डाल दिया हमने. Brilliant. I'm going to be adding also a little bit of garlic, okay, into this. Salt to taste, swad anusar as they say, okay. I would say about 1.5 teaspoons. तो ये जो हमारा बेस है वो रेडी हो गया. Now we've got this avocado here. We're just going to give this a nice blend. Fresh coriander, which I'm going to be using. Never ever get rid of these stems, okay, because these stems have a lot of juice, okay. So literally, if you go to see my kitchens wherever I've worked, are always zero waste kitchens, okay. Nothing goes to waste. Now very simple, we've got everything here. Now what is missing is some Emami ka Kachchi Ghani mustard oil, which will do the trick, and it's going to be emulsifying this into a beautiful sauce. So I'm going to take about 1/3 of a cup going in here. Now what you can also do, if it gets a little too thick for you, you can always add water into it to thin it out. So nice and smooth. You can even keep it nice and chunky, aapki choice hai. So we have our beautiful avocado sauce ready. And now very quickly, imagine we've already finished 2 beautiful sauces which can be used in so many different ways. So we're going to put this into the refrigerator, clean up a little bit, and I'm going to be back for my 3rd amazing sauce. Oh, our 3rd sauce, which is like the icing on the cake. Soya, mustard and honey dressing. Very simple. So we have about 2 tablespoons of honey. We have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. थोड़ी सी कसूरी मेथी, okay, जो हमने रोस्ट की है, which gives a really nice flavor. A little salt to taste. Black pepper. So the amount of black pepper depends on how much you want it more peppery. You can add as much as you like. I've added about a teaspoon. I think that should be good enough. Okay, and then we're adding about 1/2 cup of Kachchi Ghani ka mustard oil. Very simple. So we have a very nice emulsification. Did 3 different kinds of flavors, and these can be used to dress salads. You can even use this to marinate meat, fish, vegetables. Great sauce to have on a barbecue where you're brushing everything. It's just brilliant, okay? And the whole use of mustard oil, which we thought हम सिर्फ पंजाबी खाना, Bengali खाना बना सकते हैं, but why not think out of the box and use something in dressings and other sauces, because the quality of this oil is just fabulous. So we have a fantastic honey, soya and mustard sauce with black pepper and kasuri methi. Now these dressings or sauces can be kept in the fridge easily for a couple of months. So this is one of those things which you can make ahead, meal prep and keep it into your fridge. And this can be used in various ways. You want to drizzle it over steamed vegetables, you want to use it to quickly stir fry vegetables, be my guest. So we have our lovely vegan mustard mayo ready. Spicy avocado sauce and a really nice lush soya, lemon and honey dressing. So 3 different textures, 3 different consistencies, multi-purpose sauces. Make ahead and have a blast. And here we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do like, do share and do subscribe, and eat healthy and stay cool.